especially in this beginning phase, it was very important to have a partner who is not only supplying a product, but also giving us some ideas, some engineering hints.
We are very interested in a high quality. That's what we are standing for. The improvement is to make the brakes better, smaller, stronger, and for sure safer.
Frankly speaking, I ask my technicians, why KB? The answers have been pretty straightforward. It's not always the product alone, it's the package. The KB brake keeps the load of the spring at its place. KB takes more or less the essential role in our product to operate the failsafe, the electric actuator only when it should. We are manufacturing electric actuators. Our products are used in all kinds of industries, oil, gas, as well as power or water, wastewater, sewage, all kinds of valves in industrial plants. Our specialty are fail-safe actuators. That means electric actuators with a spring return mechanism. The brake itself is a very reliable brake. It's proven its reliability in all ambient conditions already. It's important that due to this application, the brake has almost 100% performance. That means it's always engaged. It's always holding the position. And it's therefore even more important that the brake is releasing when it's needed, 100%, and that's for sure. So it's important to have a very precise working, have tolerances against dirt and dust and things like that.
At Schiebel we use the Combinorm B. The Combinorm B from the size 6 to 9. We are very proud that Schiebel is a very good and very long-term customer of us.
We're using the product in different model sizes, from the very small ones to the very big ones. That's also one key advantage, to have the product available in the different sizing. It's a very energy efficient product, which makes our product again very energy efficient. And that's also one of the essential issues we nowadays facing: efficiency, energy efficiency.
We help Schiebel with some small modifications, so it is not the typical standard brake. So we did some additional drillings, we did some length of the wires, we crimped some contacts already on the brake to make it easier to bring the brake in the system of the Schiebel failsafe actuator.
So KB is not only a very good and reliable product, but also the team is a very service-oriented team and is serving us well. Especially on the beginning, the failsafe actuators have been a very customized product. Depending on the different applications, we needed to adapt the product accordingly. And especially in this beginning phase, it was very important to have a partner who is not only supplying a product, but also giving us some ideas, some engineering hints, and some feedback simply based on their experience. And that brought us to KB, that brought us to this decision for that brake.
The quality is very high, and I cannot remember that we get even one claim from one of the brakes. That means with this quality and the quality we can provide, that makes a very high-end product for the sensitive system.
A good business cooperation means reliability that combines a lot of different factors. Price is very, very competitive, so we have a good experience with that. And in days like this, it's more important, reliability also on supply chain issues. That means we get it in time. We know who to call if we need something faster, earlier or so. And that's even more important than just the price and 1 cent up or down. It is really the overall performance of the company. Yes, no complaints are always the best reference.